Allow me to introduce you to the McKoy House. The McKoy House is in Rockwall, Texas. It was built in 1885. This Victorian gem in Rockwall County is one of the most historic homes in the city of Rockwall. This home is available for you and your family to enjoy either for a nightly stay or to host an event such as a bridal shower or a baby shower. Even small family gift exchanges have been held at the McKoy House. My wife Jennifer and I have spent the better part of 2 years completely restoring the home and making sure that everything we did met not only the era from which the home was originally built, but also the expectations of the modern traveler or family. We take great pride in providing high quality linens, nice bedding, ample silverware and service utensils. There's even china in the kitchen. We hope that your family can enjoy not only the inside of this property, but also the outside. There is a large sunroom that is screened in on one side and glassed on the other. It's a great place to enjoy a cup of coffee. And just outside, you have a large patio area with a barbecue grill, a propane grill, and actually a charcoal smoker. We have a little Pac-Man video game, as well as cricket and other things that you can do outdoors. We really try to think through from stocking the upstairs play area for kids and making sure the outside is usable for fun to entertain your family. So if you are thinking about traveling to Rockwall and you're thinking of a place to stay, reach out to us. If you're thinking of holding an event, we don't allow parties, but we encourage people to have family gatherings like you would your own home where you live. So if you have any interest in this, just reach out. It's the McKoy House. It's located just by downtown Rockwall. Lots of great shops, restaurants, and entertainment nearby. Thank you.